Now I'm going to show you how to install the setup ink cartridges in your printer. So these are the ink cartridges we get. So just take them out of the packaging. You have to take the ink cartridges out. Now the ink cartridge chamber door is here. So we just have to open from here and we have to install the ink cartridges. So start with the any ink cartridge on the one side. So M will go here. Make sure the nozzle, which you can see, goes down and the logo stays outside here. And it will lock itself. So it's very easy to install. You have to slide it in and it locks itself. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and go on the display panel. Here we have to click on the next button. So this is a touchscreen printer, you can just do things. Now click on the next again and it will take around 7 minutes for the setup. Next step is to load the paper and press OK. So paper tray is at the bottom. So you just have to take out the whole panel and move it out. And you open this lid like this and adjust the size. Place the A4 size sheets here. Close it. Now it goes back in and the paper output tray is here, so you just have to slide it in and press OK on the display panel. So it has printed the print quality check sheet. So we have to just check if all the lines are correct and in good condition, and then we have to click yes if everything is okay. And we also have to choose the image. So this is the one we see for each of the lines.